Today we're going to learn about the preposition below. The preposition below means when something is in a lower place, rank, or value than something else, or when someone is in an inferior rank. There is a world of fish living below the surface of the ocean. The octopus has suction cups that are used to grip the ground below it. If you encounter a shark in the ocean, you should never swim below this great predator. Starfish have a central disc and 5 arms that help it navigate the ocean floor below it. What are some other animals that live below the ocean's surface? Learn and study English with MC Consult ESL.